Okay, piazzas. Oh, boy, Andy's happy. I peeked in the window and I saw that the plumbing was roughed in, so it calls for a video. First, let's check over here. I'm not sure what this was over here again. No, so there's nothing roughed out there. All right, come on, Andy. No, we're gonna, yeah, go that way. No, not up here. Come on. So, they got everything roughed in. All right, sink, hot and cold and drain. Washer, I assume, yeah, and there's a drain. That'll be a drain, the center one. Hot and cold, very nice. A shower. And then, well, they didn't step up your shower head yet. Those will go up to there, up to that. Maybe they weren't sure where it's being placed, which I would have to think it's going to be over here. Matter of fact, you definitely want it there. Then you can come in the door, the shower door. You can turn everything on without having to worry about getting sprayed. So, I guess this is all glass. It's going to be glass wrapped around. All right. That water's still sitting there. Surprising. And then, I don't know what that one's for. What would that be for? What would that be for? Let's see here. Oh, you have two valve bodies. So, oh, maybe you have a rain head. Yeah, one's probably your rain head, and one is probably the wall head, I'm assuming. Unless you have maybe a body sprayer. Maybe that's what that is. Okay, this might be feeding down. That's what this is. That one's feeding down, it's going to come up there. That's going to be your wall one. This one here is being fed in. Let's see. Let's see. That's just feed, left, right, up, down. Oh, yeah, I'm blind. Okay. So this one here is going to come up. Maybe this will be your rain head. It'll come up and over, maybe. I don't know. Anyhow, you have your sink here. Your toilet, they got the commode service in. They got all your vent pipes up and out the roof, which is good. Your plumbing vents, that is. Double sink. Got one here, one here. This is probably, what was this over here? Oh, this is a half bath. Oh, this probably services the house. All right, yeah, you got your toilet. All right, you got the commode, you got the sink. Then here, the pantry sink has its own vent exiting the roof as well. I don't know what that feed is for. It's probably feeding something else going all the way across, all the way over and down. Oh, it's probably for your, yeah, it's for your bed on the outside. Yep. I don't know if you see it. Yeah, there it is. Very good. All right, what else do we have? Oh, all right, your island sink. Two feeds. Why would there be two feeds? Maybe you're having a water supply that's going to be filtered and they just broke it off separately, possibly, but that seems to be the hot. Oh, hot, so it must be a dishwasher, must be going next to it, so that's going to be the feed to that. And then you got your drains. Excellent. Your refrigerator water supply. Alrighty. All right. Oh, so that's that's definitely a toilet drain, which I know you said wasn't supposed to be, I think. I don't remember. And then your sink. This here, so this is your shower. I would assume, probably something special for Nikki. Maybe it's his bath thing, so that's why these are exposed. It's probably a whole built-in thing that's all going to get hidden, I'm guessing. Another sink. Oh, he has his own washer and dryer. How about them apples? Okay, so that's all in. Has its own vent coming out also. All right. And the guest bathroom. Guest room, bathroom, I guess I would say. Sink. Toilet. And then, the hell would that be? Oh, shower. Okay. All right, yeah, that'll be a drain for a shower or something, I guess. And that's your feed for it. Okay, they just didn't put the valve bodies in yet. Maybe it's going to be a tub. It's probably going to be a tub, right? Makes sense that it would be a tub. Or they would have had it sunken down if it was going to be a shower. All right, that's why there's no feed coming up, because it's all just going to tap off and hook up to the tub components. That's a hot and cold. That's probably your water, what do you call it? The water softener. Well, maybe not. Those pipes don't look big enough for the whole house. Maybe not. All right, outdoor kitchen. Let's shove those in. See, I'm going to have a sink out there. That's one thing I didn't do. Probably should have. But we have that little half bath, pool bath, that has a sink in it. And it's just getting sick of all these friggin' sinks. Let's see. Yeah, that's just a loop. Oh, you know what that is? That loop's going to your hot water. See those two pipes sticking out? That's what was on this side of the wall. That's going to your hot water, your instant hot water, your tankless water heater. All right, so cold's coming in, hot's going to come out. That's why they have it that way. Okay, that makes sense. And that's going to service this whole side of the house, or maybe the whole house for that matter. Unless maybe you have one on the other side for your master. Let's see. Didn't notice one. I think you have to have one. You just have the whole house working off the one. You do have this here. But they didn't bring it outside. Washer dryer, what would that be? Maybe you have another hot water heater. No, because that's going into the garage. This is probably your water softener. It's probably going to be in your garage. Maybe that's just a loop that's going to go there, possibly. All right. So far, so good. I guess I'll bet you they'll be roughing in the electric this week, coming up. See how that goes. That'd be more important. That, especially with box placements, door swings, all that stuff. That's where you want to make sure that's all correct. As everything's looking good. It's a nice day. Just drove back to New York, and I needed to walk around and make a video. I'll talk to you later.